everyone, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, Strong and Weak Verbs. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 10, Strong and Weak Verbs. So in this chapter, you will learn about the strong verbs and weak verbs. So verbs are divided into two classes. Verbs को हम दो क्लास में डिवाइड करते हैं, strong verbs, weak verbs. स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं? वर्ब्स विच फॉर्म देयर पास्ट टेंस, जो अपने पास्ट टेंस को फॉर्म करते हैं बाय चेंजिंग द वॉवल्स इन द बॉडी ऑफ द प्रेजेंट टेंस. जब हम वॉवल्स को चेंज करते हैं बाय चेंजिंग द वॉवल्स इन द बॉडी ऑफ प्रेजेंट टेंस विदाउट एडिंग ईडी ऐड नहीं करते हैं और टी टू द प्रेजेंट, दे आर कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ब. एज स्पीक, स्पोक, स्पोकन, सिंग, सैंग, संग. फिर आता है वीक वर्ब्स. These verbs make their past tense by adding ed. ये verbs अपने past tense को बनाते हैं, ed ऐड करते हैं, d और t ऐड करते हैं present में, with और without changing vowels को change नहीं करते हैं in the body of the word, as abuse, abused, abused, sell, sold, sold. So strong verbs. Study and learn the three forms of the strong verbs जो हमारे पास given है: arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awaken, bear, bore, born, beat, beat, beaten, begin, began, begun, break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chose, chosen, come, came, come, drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten, fall, fell, fallen, fight, fought, fought, fly, flew, flown, forget, forgot, forgotten, get, got, got, give, gave, given, go, went, gone, hide, hid, hidden, hold, held, held, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen, run, ran, run, see, saw, seen, sing, sang, sung, sit, sat, sat, speak, spoke, spoken, swim, swam, swum, take, took, taken, tear, tore, torn, throw, threw, thrown, wear, wore, worn, win, won, won. Now the weak verbs. Study and learn the weak verbs carefully, like bend, bent, then bent, breed, bred, bred, bring, brought, brought, build, built, built, burn, burnt, burnt, and burnt, burnt, same, buy, bought, bought, catch, caught, caught, creep, crept, crept, curse, cursed, cursed, dare, dared, dared, deal, dealt, dealt, deceive, deceived, deceived, die, died, died, feed, fed, fed, feel, felt, felt, flee, fled, fled, flow, flowed, flowed, hear, heard, heard, keep, kept, kept, kneel, knelt, knelt, lead, led, led, lean, leaned, lent, leaned, lent, leap, leapt, leaped, leapt, leaped, learn, learned, 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 lose, lost, lost, make, made, made, meet, met, met, melt, melted, melted, pay, paid, paid, prove, proved, proved, raise, raised, raised. Say, said, said. Sell, sold, sold. I hope you all have understood that chapter. Just go through it, learn it. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.